Listen to that crust. You know, it's crispy, crunchy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Nice and soft. The flavor is on point. Which is good. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious pan-sear panko-crusted fish recipe. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here are the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. I have some turmeric powder, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of paprika, some complete seasoning, salt and pepper. Here I have my panko breadcrumbs, about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, some egg wash, and my fish fillet. Alright, and all the correct measurement will be in the description of the video, guys. Yes, guys, so we're going to start off by mixing our seasoning, alright? We're going to combine all these dry ingredients together and then season our fish. Alright guys, so now you want to add your egg wash. Alright guys, so this is what your fish should be looking like after you add your panko breadcrumbs. Alright guys, so at this point you want to add your 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once it's fully melted, then you want to sear your fish for about 2 minutes per side or until the breading is nice and crispy. Yes guys, yes, this is the masterpiece right here, our finished product. I cooked my fish for about 2 minutes per side and this is it. I'm just going to enjoy it with some rice and black beans, some mango salsa on top, just to add a nice little tropical vibe. This is perfect, guys. Wow. Listen to that crust. You know, it's crispy, crunchy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Nice and soft. The flavor is on point. Which is good. Good stuff. Wow. Yes, guys, so we're at the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace. So good.